Autofocus Eyewear by Crystal Shepherd. Vixen has created glasses that autofocus. This high-tech eyewear enhances focus by reducing eye strain. This technology alters the shape of the lenses and calculates the distance between yourself and an object in your field of view. By doing so, these glasses give your eye muscles a break from having to focus and refocus constantly. This trend should be on everyone's radar because there is a clear and steady market for it. This product is innovative in the field of personal care. According to Warby Parker 2024, 63.7% of American adults wear corrective glasses. The reason for glasses is to correct blurry vision. Refractive errors like farsightedness or stigmatism are causes of blurry vision. Without glasses, these refractive errors cause eye strain, and eye strain is what Vixen's eyewear reduces. Morrow Optics is a company that has tapped into the same industry as Vixen. Morrow Optics created glasses that are self-focusing, but their target audience is those who suffer from presbyopia. This condition affects the eye's ability to focus on near objects and is common in those 40 years and up. According to Morrow Eyewear 2023, they have their product in over 80 stores across Belgium. They do not have an option on their website to buy online. The products seem to be sold only in stores. If I owned my own business, I would make autofocus glasses specifically for those who need to see at night for their career or leisure. The eye functions differently from night to day. Our eyes naturally adapt more to daylight conditions, whereas at night, when light is reduced, our vision changes. The rod cells in the eye become more sensitive to low light and do not provide color vision. Cells within our eyes shift, making it harder to obtain clarity. I would market these glasses to those where seeing at night is crucial. The police, fire department, pilots, and truck drivers are all workers where seeing clearly at night can play a major role in how well they perform their jobs. Maybe you love road trips and you travel at night to avoid the traffic. Clarity would be important to you too. Also, I would tap into the fashion side of eyewear. Customization is a form of expressing oneself. As a customer myself, I love personalizing and making items visions of me. According to Uvera, 90% of those surveyed are prepared to pay more for customized items. By offering different design frames, I can increase brand loyalty, enhance the shopping experience, and increase higher margins. Thank you.